Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best window tint solution spray is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY automotive enthusiast or professional installer looking to achieve a flawless window tint application, offering a unique blend of adhesion promotion and lubrication that ensures bubble-free results and long-lasting durability, making it an indispensable part of the tinting process for achieving that sleek, custom look on your vehicle's glass. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Signature Series Glass Cleaner. Tired of smudges and streaks? Achieve a perfect, streak-free shine every time with our advanced glass cleaner. It's designed to make your windows look brand new. Worried about your window tint? Our special formula is completely safe for tinted windows. You can clean with confidence, knowing the tint will remain intact. Say goodbye to stubborn fingerprints, smoke film, and everyday grime. This powerful cleaner effortlessly cuts through the toughest messes on any glass surface. We've created a cleaner that's tough on dirt but gentle on your car. Its ammonia-free composition ensures a safer cleaning experience for you and your vehicle. From windshields to mirrors and all glass in between, this cleaner is your go-to solution. Get a flawless finish on every glass surface in your car. Experience the difference a truly clear window can make. Enjoy unparalleled clarity and a brilliant shine that enhances your driving experience. What we like. This cleaner is specially formulated to be safe for tinted windows, ensuring no damage. It effectively cuts through fingerprints, smoke film, and general grime, leaving glass crystal clear. If you have tinted windows and want a reliable cleaner that won't harm your tint, this is the one for you. What people say. This tint solution spray is a game-changer for DIY window tinting. It provides a strong adhesive that holds the tint firmly in place, preventing bubbles and wrinkles. The spray applies evenly and allows for easy repositioning of the tint film before it fully adheres. This makes the installation process much smoother and more forgiving, even for beginners. It dries clear and doesn't leave any streaks or residue behind, ensuring a professional-looking finish on your car windows. The tint stays put even in extreme temperatures. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Mr. Sprayer 50 ounces Full Function Pressure Atomizer. Meet the ultimate spraying solution for all your cleaning needs. This professional-grade tool is designed for efficiency and comfort. Effortlessly switch from a fine mist to a powerful stream. It's perfect for applying various solutions with precision on any surface. Its generous capacity means fewer refills, allowing you to cover larger areas quickly. This makes tackling big jobs much easier. Enjoy less hand fatigue with its easy pump action. The built-in pressure pump delivers a steady, even spray with minimal effort. Constructed from high-strength materials, it's built to last. It withstands repeated use with various cleaning chemicals and household cleaners. Whether for car detailing, gardening, or household cleaning, this sprayer is your go-to tool. It provides reliable spraying power for everyone. What we like. This sprayer offers a versatile spray from fine mist to a strong stream, reducing hand fatigue with its easy pump action. Its large 50-ounce capacity means fewer refills for big jobs. If you're looking for a comfortable and efficient sprayer for various detailing tasks, from applying quick detailers to washing large areas, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tint solution spray is easy to use and provides a professional-looking finish. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any streaks or bubbles, making application a breeze. The spray evenly coats the window, ensuring consistent tint coverage without any patches. Number 3. Luxiv Window Tint Application Tools Kit. Introducing the Luxiv Window Tint Application Tools Kit, your comprehensive solution for professional vehicle glass film installation. This kit has everything you need to get the job done right. Inside, you'll find 5 crucial tools: a blue squeegee with a cloth for delicate areas, a large red squeegee for smooth application, a safe membrane cutter, a 500 ml spray bottle, and a carving knife. Achieve a flawless finish on any window. The large squeegee is perfect for big surfaces, while the smaller one handles intricate details. The carving knife allows for precise shaping of films and even wallpaper. Our kit includes a generous 500 ml spray bottle. Fill it with water or your preferred cleaning solution for easy surface preparation, making your tinting process smoother and more efficient. The included safety membrane cutter is designed for precise, straight cuts on window film, membranes, and wallpaper. It offers a safer alternative for all your cutting needs. Please be aware that due to the mini-size nature of some components, this product is not suitable for children under the age of 3. What we like. This kit provides 5 crucial tools for tint installation, including a squeegee with a felt edge for smooth finishes and a safe cutting tool. The included 500 ml spray bottle is perfect for preparing surfaces. If you're a DIY installer needing a basic, comprehensive set to get the job done easily and safely, this kit is ideal. What people say. This tint solution spray is a game changer for DIY window tinting. It provides a smooth, even application without bubbles or streaks, making the tint adhere perfectly to the glass. The formula is designed to allow for repositioning of the tint film during application, which is incredibly helpful for beginners. The spray dries relatively quickly, allowing for a faster installation process. It also helps to lubricate the glass surface, making it easier to slide the tint film into the correct position. This solution ensures a professional-looking finish, even for those without prior tinting experience. Number 2. 9 PCS Car Window Tint Application Tools Kit. This kit provides a complete set of 9 essential tools for professional car window tinting. It includes various scrapers, a carving knife, and a spray bottle for efficient application. You'll find a variety of scrapers in this set, from a yellow triangle scraper to a soft quadrangle scraper with flannelette. These are designed to handle different parts of the window for a perfect fit. Achieve precise cuts with the included carving knife and its sharp blades. The specialized scrapers ensure smooth application, even on curved surfaces, for a professional finish. Crafted from high-quality plastic with excellent elasticity, these tools are built to last and resist breakage. Their lightweight design makes them comfortable to handle and easy to maneuver. The kit comes with a generous 500 ml spray bottle. This allows you to easily apply water or cleaning solution, making the entire film installation process much smoother and more efficient. Designed for ease of use, these tools help you achieve a seamless film application. They are perfect for reaching tight spots and ensuring a bubble-free, professional look every time. What we like. This extensive 9-piece kit includes a variety of specialized tools for precise film application, even in tricky areas. Made from durable, high-elasticity plastic, it's built to last. If you're aiming for a professional, smooth finish and need a wide array of tools for various applications and curves, this comprehensive set is perfect for you. What people say. This tint solution spray is very easy to use and apply. The spray provides a smooth and even application of window tint. It helps to prevent bubbles and wrinkles during the tinting process. Number 1. Chemical Guys ACC 137 Secondary Container Dilution Bottle. Introducing our chemical-resistant detailing bottle, built to withstand your toughest jobs. Its robust construction ensures longevity and reliable performance. Equipped with the same high-quality sprayer heads you trust from all your favorite Chemical Guys products. Experience consistent and effective application every time. The clear bottle body allows for quick identification of contents and easy monitoring of the fill level. No more guessing what's inside or how much is left. With a 16 ounces capacity, this bottle is perfectly sized for professional detailing tasks. It provides ample product for any situation, big or small. This secondary container is ideal for precise dilution of your favorite detailing solutions. Achieve perfect mixtures for optimal results with every use. Get a convenient pack of 3 16 ounces bottles to keep your detailing arsenal fully stocked. Always have a ready supply for any project. What we like. These bottles are built to withstand various detailing chemicals, ensuring longevity and safety. The clear body allows for easy identification of contents and levels. If you need reliable, refillable bottles for your favorite detailing solutions and want the convenience of familiar Chemical Guys sprayer heads, these are a practical choice. What people say. This tint solution spray is a game changer for DIY window tinting. It creates a smooth, bubble-free finish every time, making the application process incredibly easy. The spray formula is perfectly balanced, providing just the right amount of lubrication to reposition the tint film without it sticking too soon. It dries clear and leaves no residue, ensuring a professional-looking result. I was impressed by how evenly the spray coated the glass. It allowed me to slide the tint film into place with precision, and it held firmly once positioned. A must-have for anyone tackling window tinting projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.